Hi, my name is Mark McPherson. I'm a water rights and environmental lawyer in Dallas, Texas. If you represent landfill operations or other environmentally sensitive businesses that rely on tipping fees or dumping fees for their income, this would include land reclamation projects. It could include several construction sites. Then I want to bring to your attention a report that just came out from the City of Dallas. Their Office of the City Auditor recently audited the landfill operations, but the financial controls of their landfill operations. And while the report obviously focuses on the City of Dallas and landfill operations, the findings of this report and the noted deficiencies and the request or the suggestions as to changes to be made really apply to all the businesses that I just described above. So if that's one of you might want to get this report and look at it. Let me just highlight for you the five deficiencies that were noted in this report. First of all, the deficiency was noted about cash, and it's just flat not properly protected. The report looks at the entire life cycle of the cash in the business, from the minute the driver pays the cash to dump his load, to the minute that the cash is deposited in the bank. So that lifespan of the cash in the business is looked at in this report, and it kind of discusses some ways to improve that management. Second thing it notes is a lack of control over customer vehicle information that could result in lost landfill revenue. Of course, this is mostly a credit issue and account receivable. Whenever somebody shows up to charge it on their company's account, how do you accurately know? How can you best know that person showing up is tied to, or that load is tied to that particular account? And so there's part of this report goes into how better to do that. The third thing talks about is inappropriate access to data, and how the wrong kind of people, employee by job description, can add and delete users and can void tickets, all of which can result in lost revenues for the operations. This includes cashiers, the scale house supervisors, and the field workforce. So all of those are addressed in this report. 4, kind of more broadly, but on the same line of veins, the segregation of duties, at least for the City of Dallas, was not adequate to detect errors and reduce the fraud risk. This includes cash, it includes the accounts receivable, and being able to reconcile what's going on so that you don't lose anything that you're entitled to, that the operator's entitled to. And then the final one is inadequate customer security deposit processes. Get the security deposit, evaluate who the client, who the customer is, those sorts of things. So those are the 5 noted deficiencies. The report just gives you some ideas on how to, first of all, make sure that you understand the challenges of your client's, your customer's business. And it gives some ideas as to how you can address those things and tighten up a client's cash management and internal controls. The report is titled Audit of Selected Landfill Financial Controls. The report number is A12-010. The date is September 7 of 2012. And it's available on the City of Dallas's website, which is dallascityhall.com. It's funny that a city would have a .com and be so commercial about it, but it's a really good website. I commend Dallas for having it and for doing it. So take a look, download the report. It's 42 pages. And if you're interested or need that sort of information, I think it'd be some good information for you. Till next time.